Fun fact, a lot of you guys compliment my hair on my Instagram post, and I take that with pride, except for the fact that 95% of the time my hair is a wig. Alright guys, I'm so excited to try out my new headband wig. So the headband wig I selected is supposed to be their 20-inch curly headband, like wavy wet hair wig, where you can style this, especially since it's all human hair, straight by straightening it, but it will also go right back to the curls if you decide to do that. This is what she looks like, a nice natural black. Throw this on. Oh yeah, I'm convinced I just have an abnormally big head. Oh guys, I'm actually really obsessed with this. I think this is so pretty, especially for the summertime. Oh my gosh, this makes doing your hair so easy. I didn't have to do anything to my hair except for put it in a bun. Okay, hair done in 2 minutes, and boom, you're ready to go out the door. You don't have to worry about a part. You don't have to worry about plucking your wig, because your hair is all here, ready to go. Do y'all see this? Also, just about the quality of the hair really quickly, this hair is super soft. It definitely feels and looks like human hair. It doesn't look overly synthetic or like, you know, overly shiny. So we love her. But it's awesome because you get the same versatility that you would if you got like a full 360-degree lace type of wig. And obviously you can do things like low ponies, 2 ponies, etc. But you can definitely pull the hair up, which is so awesome. So we like her, Luvme. In fact, we love her.